Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we are tempering down our creativity by just doing one design for all the grids in our mandala. Thank you for watching. This is Pinoy Mandala. For this challenge, because we are just doing one design for the grid, I chose this design with more details into it. The challenge is when you do the design into the smaller grids. In that case, you will need to use drawing pens with smaller points. It is really going to be a test of temper for an artist because sometimes when you're doing your work and there's a lot of ideas going into your mind, you just want to put them in your work. But for this challenge, you just need one design and focus into it. The test is consistency, which is also hard for me. Well, this is my grid and then I will just have to do it over and over in my work. There you go. Here is our output for the mandala challenge using one grid design. I hope you liked it as much as I do. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below. And you may follow me on Instagram at Pinoy Mandala. Salamat!